Good morning, welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some cloudy and foggy conditions across the region this morning. Going to see that low cloud and fog most likely linger throughout the day today, with the fog becoming patchy for this afternoon. We'll see a slight chance of a sprinkle this morning. Overall should remain dry today as far as precipitation chances. Only a slight chance this morning into the afternoon hours, and that would only be a few sprinkles. It will be continue to be damp across the region with the fog and the low clouds in the region. Take a look at current surface analysis. We have a warm front that's currently moving towards the region. That's going to be moving through the area tonight. That's going to give us slight chances of some sprinkles this morning, as well as the fog and low clouds today. A fairly strong upper level low, as well as surface low pressure across the plain states. That's going to be pushing a cold front across our region tomorrow, giving us good chances of rainfall for our Wednesday. The current observation is a vertical visibility of 200 feet. Quarter-mile statute visibility with fog, northeast winds at 10 knots, temperature 47 degrees, and relative humidity at 100%. So taking a look at our current radar imagery across the region, you can see we do have this warm front that's currently remaining fairly stationary off to our west. Rainfall has been trying to inch closer to the area this morning. Could see a sprinkle later this morning into the afternoon hours, but overall, if we do see that sprinkle, only be temporary, and we'll only see a very light amount of precipitation if we do. And taking a look at the satellite imagery this morning, so we have lots of clouds covered across the region, not just in the low levels, but as well as in the upper levels. This is the infrared satellite imagery. You can see here lots of cloud cover. That's going to be the case for today, the next few days as we go through a cloudy time period in our weather forecast. Looking at the 3-kilometer AM model, you can see there's slight chances of rainfall for this afternoon. And moving into the overnight hours, should see those low clouds start to break up some this afternoon into the overnight hours, as we'll see winds pick up a little bit, especially towards dawn tomorrow morning. But with that wind increase across the region, we'll see more moisture in the region, and that's going to give us a better chance of rainfall as this cold front approaches the region, especially about after dawn tomorrow. We'll see those rain showers moving the region, and it'll be raining pretty much all afternoon on Wednesday into the evening hours. We'll see a fairly strong low-level jet move through the region. That could give us a slight chance of a thunderstorm. Most models are showing about a 25% chance of a thunderstorm for tomorrow evening into the early overnight hours across the area. And then into Wednesday, into the Thursday, we'll see our conditions improve for Thursday afternoon. We'll still see those low clouds in the morning, but looking like better conditions for Thursday afternoon. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, there's slight chances of rainfall this morning into the early afternoon hours, as well as early tomorrow morning. We'll see our cloud ceilings around that 500 feet for this afternoon, and then towards the evening hours should see a break, and then building back in overnight and becoming more patchy with low clouds by tomorrow morning at 8 local. Our high today should be around 56 degrees, low tonight around 49 during the evening hours, then rising slowly overnight into the lower 50s. As far as the terminal forecast goes today, we'll see low clouds throughout the region pretty much all day long, and then by tomorrow morning we'll see those chances of rainfall across the region, and we'll continue to see those rain showers for the afternoon hours on Wednesday, picking up in intensity for the evening hours. As far as our tides go, we'll see tides about half to 1 foot above normal, and those winds will be out of the east for today, and primarily switching out of the east-northeast to the southeast overnight, and fairly stable with our velocity around 7-12 knots throughout the time period of the next 24 hours. So looking at Wednesday into Thursday, Wednesday overcast, rain likely by afternoon, slight chance of a thunderstorm by evening, low clouds likely, and slightly breezy, a high of 59 degrees. Wednesday night, rain likely during the evening and early overnight, with a slight chance of a thunderstorm as well. We'll then see remaining overcast with low clouds during the late overnight hours, with a low of only 51 degrees, so well above normal this time of year. And for Thursday, we'll see overcast skies continuing with low clouds in the morning and early afternoon, becoming partly to mostly cloudy by late afternoon with a high of 57 degrees. So finally see some peaks of sunshine by later in the afternoon on Thursday. Temperatures still well above normal for this time of year. On Thursday as well, you can see here rain chances in general will be in the red condition for Wednesday and Wednesday night. ceilings as well, and we'll see that slight chance of a thunderstorm for Wednesday evening into the early overnight hours of Wednesday night into Thursday. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. We're back at 10 o'clock, looking like 7 days.